Hey everyone, Chris with Collier. Today we're going to look at a 2023 Thor Chateau 25V. It's a nice motorhome under 30 feet, twin beds, a lot of storage. Cool thing is I actually got to camp in this motorhome. I took it tailgating so I can kind of have a more first person experience I can tell you about. But really nice. The 2023 is going to be the new V8 versus the V10. So if you went back a few years, you could find one with the V10, maybe save some money. But the V8, not only I think it's got a little bit more power, it's a lot less whiny than the V10s. And I took it out when it was in pretty heavy winds. Really handled well, I thought, comparatively to some of the older models. So again, under 30 feet. Graphics look great, sidewalls look great. This was a good long-time customer of ours that owned this, and they just got a little bit older, got out of RVing. A TV outside is nice to have. It is on a swing arm too. The awning, nice big awning, basically the full sidewall. I know when we took it out, it was mild rain, so we were able to pitch it down, let the water run off. Worked out great. There's storage underneath here. This is going to be your backside of your furnace. This is a gas electric fridge. Which I think is a really nice feature now since everything's going to 12 volt. With propane, you can run it basically endlessly. So that's what we did all weekend. Didn't have to worry about power like you might with a 12 volt. All right, another little storage compartment here. And then I always like this setup on Class C's because there's unobstructed pass-through. So if you have large tables and grills and big items, it's just easier to get it in and out. And then this is like a hard plastic material with drains. So if you get this wet, no big deal. You can just clean it out. Nice and easy. You have a roof ladder, right? And a hitch. They do have the rock guard underneath, which is a nice thing to have if you end up towing a car. That just helps keep the car clean and from getting rock chips and all that fun stuff. All right, I'm not going to show too much on this side. We'll head inside, but there's the generator, most of your water connections. There's an outside shower. There is a slide topper as well on the slide out. All right, let's head inside. Okay, so up front, you have the leatherette seats, which is a nice upgrade. I like the radio. Actually has, what do they call it? Apple Autoplay? I'm blanking on the name. And the Android Auto, I think it's Autoplay for Apple, but it's really nice. It syncs into your phone if you plug that in. So I was able to listen to Spotify versus just trying to scroll through the channels while I'm driving around. Neither of the seats swivel. Be aware of that, please. Nice big TV. This comes over to fill in, so you can sleep two people up here. You also have the safety net, so if you don't want your gear to fall out or your kid to roll out, that's a nice little safety feature. You have USBs also and cup holders up there as well. The table, you can fit a couple people around. Previous owner put the little remote caddy, which is a great thing to have. There is a wireless phone charger in this table as well, and then the table is a dream dinette, so it's easy to push down and convert into a bed. And then instead of making you move cushions and do all sorts of acrobatics to get storage, they just put drawers in, which is the easiest way and the best way. So both sides of the dinette have storage. All right, so kitchen, we have a flip-up countertop, and then I think the previous owner, I believe, built this because I don't think this came as an option, but you get this nice big table or counter sink cover. All right, and pull out the sprayer. You got the 3-burner cooktop. Just lots of storage. Even a spot for a trash can. I think I kept the trash can when I went out, so we'll put that back in. Again, this is your gas electric fridge. So 6 cubic foot. Okay, okay, a couple things. This is a Max Air fan. This is a really expensive fan that's right in here. So that can take air out, bring air in. It's got, doesn't say on here, but it's got quite a few fan speeds. Really nice thing to have. Okay, so the bathroom, let's see how to do this. Actually, we'll walk all the way back to the bedroom. Again, you have another remote caddy. So this is your twin bed if you prefer to sleep separate. Otherwise, if you want to make this one big king bed, this cushion will fill in the missing gap. And then there is another mattress and fills in right there. So you can make this into a king bed. So the remote caddy, they also added a TV back here. So there's three TVs inside, one TV outside. So you got plenty of TVs. And then I always like, with twin beds, just the overhead storage. So you actually have 6 doors. So I had no problem bringing anything I wanted to. And then you have gas struts too. So that's just gonna make it easier. Okay, and then you have this excellent pantry, which is unusual on the Class C. So you have adjustable shelves. And I suppose you could even use that as a wardrobe if you wanted to. Okay, and then the bathroom's a little hard to demo because the door opens and blocks where the camera is. But we'll try to shuffle around. But basically you have double doors. And you could leave the one door closed really, but you have a corner shower, medicine cabinet, and then those both magnet in, which is pretty neat. And then, yeah, there we go. That opens up, and then you actually have a full-length mirror on the one side, which is neat as well. And then porcelain toilet, which is a good upgrade to have. Okay, so 2023 Thor Chateau 25V for sale at Collier RV. Please call, text, email, message us, comment, any questions you have. Thank you.